Hello viewers, today we are going to do a glittery pink smoky eye makeup look. This is the look that I have achieved by using black, pink and some shimmery eyeshadows. It's very easy to achieve this look. You just have to follow a few steps and I'm sure you will be able to get this look. So first of all, I have applied light pink eyeshadow on the top of my lid. After that, I have taken a very bright pink like this, and then I have applied this eyeshadow on the top of my eyelid. Blend it quite well. This is the area where you have to concentrate most of the eyeshadow, and you don't have to go beyond this area. This is how you are going to blend the whole eyeshadow. After that, take any black eye color and put it on the top of that pink eyeshadow. Just keep noticing the shapes of the brushes that I'm using. Again, this will go in the kind of semicircle or D circle on the top of the eye, and blend this eyeshadow quite well in this area. Blending is the key. After that, take a clean brush and blend both of the shades like pink and the black, so we don't see the sharp edges of both of these colors, and it gives a blended look too. Okay, now again I'm going to use the same pink and black eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Here I have taken a black eyeshadow and I am blending it on the lower lash line. You don't have to be worried about the fallout. You can just brush them off. After that, I am blending both of the eyeshadows with a clean brush. Now I'm going to take some glittery eyeshadows like pink and purplish silver and some gold eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply all of these shades with the help of my finger. Mostly I'm going to put this pink shade. Here you can see I'm applying it in the middle part of your eyelid, just where your eyeball is. You don't have to go towards the outer or the inner corner of your eyes. Blend it well. After that, I have taken a white eyeshadow and this pink eyeshadow, and I'm going to use both of these shades for highlighter. Mix them well. Now I have taken a clean brush. It has though pink shade, and that's totally okay, and try to blend this highlighter. Blend it well. Apply the same highlighter on the inner corners of your eye. Now just apply a black eyeliner, any eyeliner that you can apply easily. You don't have to make a very long line, just you have to put it according to the length of your eyes. Then the eyelashes. Here I'm going to put some mascara, and in order to avoid that spidery look, I will just smudge it with the help of my fingers. After this, I'm going to apply some black pencil or kohl, anything that you have. Here I am applying this black eyeshadow just to deepen the look. See how I'm going to put this whole color. After that, I will again take a clean brush and smudge this black eyeshadow. So here I am done with my look, and this is my final look. You can wear this kind of look for any kind of heavy party or a wedding. It's very easy to achieve this look by following all the steps that I have done. So this was the video for today. I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the support. Until next video, bye bye.